In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take backup on pfSense and restore it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are going to do a backup on pfSense and then we are going to restore it. So first of all, this is my production firewall and I don't want to do any different kind of changes, but normally what we do, if there is a new update, then I do take a backup of this machine, or if I'm going to change anything before that, I take a backup and then do changes. And if something goes wrong, then I can just restore from the previous configuration. Okay, so to test this thing, I'm just going to add a new user. So I'm gonna say and give it my name, and then the password, full name, and you can set the expiration date as well and ownership. Let's try this one. All right, so the user is created. To take the backup, we need to go into diagnostics, click here, and then you can see backup and restore. So it's pretty simple. What do you want to back up? All, or you can choose any of these packages like firewall rules, schedule tasks, system, or anything, whatever you want to backup. But if you do all, so that way you're going to choose the backup for everything. So I'm going to just click on download configuration as XML, and you can see it's 70 KB. And now I'm going to go back to the user manager and I'm going to delete this user, delete this test user, what I created. And now I realize, oh, I made a mistake. I shouldn't have done that. So don't just consider this as a user. Let's say you have deleted a few rules and now you have to go through a lot of different stuff to find out what those rules were. Now, the best way is to just simply restore from the backup and click on choose file, and under downloads where you downloaded it. Okay, now you can see I have choose the same file what I just downloaded, and then I'm going to click on restore configuration, and it's going to ask me, do you wish to restore? If I click OK, then it's going to take a couple seconds and then everything will be restored. Okay, firewall configuration has been changed. Now it's going to reboot it. All right, firewall is back up. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And it says packages are currently being reinstalled in the background. Do not make change in the GUI until this is complete. So as we restored it from backup, so if there are a few packages you had in previous configuration, they're going to be restored. So I'm going to go back to the user manager. Now you can see my user is back. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. Like you can just simply take a backup and restore it. But one thing to remember, once you restore your backup, all the packages which were like installed previously, they're going to be just considered as packages name, and firewall is going to reinstall them again. So that's how you do backup and restore manually. In my next video, which is going to be like really best video because I worked on it a lot and I was able to do the automatic backups, and they go directly to the Google Drive. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.